Let us have a look at how we handle components in the design of a project. So in design section, we have this component tab on left sidebar. And here we have 5 major categories: flora, plants, with all its subcategories, fauna, animals, insects, built structures, soils and substrates, and then we have technologies. Let's have a look at the composting toilet. Here we have all kinds of properties and information on this composting toilet, which is quite similar in terms of its data formatting, like inputs, outputs, services provided, services needed, suitability conditions, and optimal conditions. These are going to help us actually automatically select components through AI insights and analysis. So here we can view and also compare some of the components, compare and contrast their attributes, and we can also add to our design. But better yet, when we click on Flora button on left sidebar, this helps us select and tailor plants that are most suitable for our site. So here we already have some chosen plants, and this is how we do it. Create flora plant from insights. Then we pick a subcategory. Let's pick vegetables this time. And right underneath, we have previous AI conversations we had on our project. For example, here we have the soil structure information, what are recommended for soil health and regeneration, soil amendments. So I would like to include this, send this data to AI, and based on this data, the AI would then select proper plants for us. Here we also have key site conditions info, potential vulnerabilities, immediate wins, and what we can urgently do for the site. Let's pick this up too. And click on Process with AI. So based on the data it has received in the components database, now it's going to filter all the vegetables and look at their suitability, optimal conditions, conflicts, and potential vulnerabilities. And based on those, it has already defined certain vegetables that are most suitable, and then it has listed them here: artichoke, arugula, beet, bell pepper, butternut, squash, and kale. So find database matches, and the ones we would like to include in our project, then we're going to select, and then save to our project, which is then going to be listed down below. And then we can view the details of the selected plants for our project by click on View button. We can repeat this process for different plants in the plant subcategories. Now this time let's pick flowers. Again, select the AI insights we had received previously. And based on this information, the AI is going to, again, this time flowers within the plants database and pick the most suitable ones for us. So again, the AI has finished the processing. So based on these conditions, these are the recommended flowers. So from this recommended plant list, we're going to find these matches in our database that are currently here, and then select the ones that we would like to use and save. So when you look at it, this process really gains us a lot of time. Think of it, you doing this manually, trying to figure out which plants are most suitable, but with this AI integration, now this process takes only a minute or two.